What's going on, guys? So I recently posted up on Instagram that I had made some custom turn signals for my Z since I'm running the TDM headlight and kind of wanted something that matched the aggressive look of the headlight and not just run some dwimpy pre-made turn signals. So what I did is I used 3/8 inch Lexan, 1/8 inch black Lexan, and then a super bright LED behind it to kind of backlight the clear Lexan so that it lights up and it looks pretty good from the outside. Was a little time consuming to make it, but I love the way it turned out. So you can not really see it from the back or from the sides, but you can see it from the front. So in version 2, I want to add a chamfer from like this outside to the inside so you can see it from the side. But it turned out pretty well. I'll leave everything that I used down below that like button, so let me know what you think about it. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. If you guys want me to go into like a step-by-step tutorial on how I actually made them, let me know, and I can do that when I make version 2. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We'll see you next time.